Air-fried garlic parmesan wings with F.N. Sharp. You'll save money by buying wings that have not already been separated into drums and flats. Breaking down wings is actually quite simple. Take your F.N. Sharp Santoku or chef's knife like this one here. Go ahead and follow the natural line of the chicken wing into the joint area and it should come out apart easily. If not, just work your knife again into that joint area. Season them up generously. Salt and pepper, some baking powder will allow that skin to get real crispy. Into the air fryer, skin side up, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to set it for 20 minutes. We're going to flip them after 10. Now we're going to get a bunch of garlic going because that fresh garlic sauteed in some butter is the way to go. This is what they look like after 10 minutes. Flip them over, go another 10, chopping up some fresh parsley here into a saute pan with some butter, that garlic. Those wings are looking great. 10 more minutes, 5 more minutes, it's up to you as far as the level of doneness. And then we'll go ahead and pour that garlic butter. We'll top it with some fresh parsley, some fresh grated Parmesan. We'll give it a stir, a couple of flips, and then we should be ready to rock. We'll plate it up. As it goes down, drizzle that garlic butter all on it, and then hit it with some more fresh Parmesan cheese. You're ready to enjoy. Make sure to check out fnsharp.com.